Hello everyone. In the geography optional previous year question paper discussion, today we are going to discuss the question number 5 from the compulsory part. How deep ecology as a concept different from shallow ecology? Explain for 10 marks. The basic difference between deep ecology and shallow ecology is deep ecology concerns only about environment. Shallow ecology concerns also about the human benefits, mostly about human benefits. This is the very basic difference between deep ecology and shallow ecology. Okay, so as a 10 mark question, we can give at least 5 valid points to answer this question. Here I do explain you the simply explain the 5 points. The deep ecology points and points for shallow ecology. So the first point is it concerns only about environment. Here it concerns about the human benefits also. Human benefits. Then the second point. Actually, ideally, we should respect other species life also. So we should respect the rights also. Respect the rights of all species in the world. So deep ecology emphasizes this. Deep ecology says that including human being, all other species have the equal rights on the earth. Here in the shallow ecology, they emphasize about the human benefits only. So they say that human life is more important. Human life is more important in the earth. So as we concern this, if you read the point number 1 and point number 2, we can say that the deep ecology concept, it is not just realistic. Yes, realistic. Because it is very difficult to implement and follow. Okay. In the shallow ecology, for this, it is realistic, but the sustainability will be the question. Sustainability is the main question here. Okay. Then, uh, it the deep ecologist, it supports the principle of diversity. Support the principle of uh, diversity, because it says that we should be mindful to the um, life of all non-human species. Okay. So that it emphasizes mindful to all non-human species. Okay. Uh, it supports and the shallow ecologist. It supports and promotes the conservation strategies. They will concern about environment, but they will promote the conservation strategies here. Then here in the deep ecology emphasizes that though we utilize the resources from the environment, utilize the resources for human needs, emphasize to spare as much life, to spare as much life as possible. That is, they are emphasizing about the life of other species. So spare as much life as possible by living a life. Yeah, life. Here in the shallow ecologist conveys, uh, they convey that creating pollution and depletion of the resources are essential part of the development. So without utilizing the resources and without creating pollution, we cannot develop economically. That point shallow ecologists say. So depletion of resources and creating pollutions are essential for development. But they concern little about the environment. They are saying that um, for this we should reduce the pollution, reduce pollution through conservation strategies. So anyway, we will not stop utilizing the resources and will not stop creating pollution. But anyway, we will create some strategies to conserve it. So the conservation strategies are necessary for environmental protection. That is the point of view of shallow ecologist. So both of them actually concern about the environment, but the deep ecology completely emphasize about the environment. But here the shallow ecologist concern about human benefits mostly. So this is the major difference between the deep ecology and shallow ecology. So as a 10 more question, we can give these 5 valid points to answer this question. Thus, we can score well. Thank you all.